Creating a product video is not just about showing the product. The first few seconds also matter because that's where viewers decide whether to keep watching or move on. Many sellers spend time creating videos but still struggle with how to open the video ad in a way that feels clear, engaging, and relevant to the product. That's why testing different hooks can be helpful.
Okay, so I don't know what just happened, but this survived via blood orange and yuzu. It's been my go-to lately, and honestly, nothing's stopping me from drinking it.
One product can be introduced in many ways, through a problem, a product demo, a review, an unboxing, or a more cinematic style. In this video, I'll show you how Higgsfield Marketing Studio helps generate ad hook ideas and turn one product into different AI video ad formats, so you can explore multiple creative angles from one simple workflow. The biggest challenge with product ads is not just making the video look good. The real challenge is getting people to stop in the first place. Because if your opening line or first visual doesn't create curiosity like this.
So, this is the climb. Full suspension fork, beefy tires, honestly built for anything, including whatever that was. 2 weeks hitting every steep street in the city, my legs are cooked, the bike is completely fine. Links below.
The viewer may scroll away before your product even gets a chance. That's why writing a strong hook is one of the hardest parts of creating ads. You're not just trying to describe the product, you're trying to create a reason for someone to pause, pay attention, and continue watching. And for most sellers, that means testing different opening lines, different angles, and different ways to present the same product. But doing that manually can take a lot of time. You may need to write multiple scripts, plan different video styles, hire creators, edit several versions, and still not know which one will connect with your audience. This is where Higgsfield Marketing Studio comes in. Higgsfield Marketing Studio is an end-to-end AI ad creation workflow powered by Dance 2.0. Instead of starting with a blank page, you can paste a product link or upload a product image, and the platform helps you generate a complete video ad from that product. But the biggest update here is the built-in hook generator. This means Higgsfield doesn't just help you create the video, it also helps you create the opening idea that makes people want to keep watching. It can generate hook options based on your product and the ad format you choose, whether that's UGC, tutorial, unboxing, product review, TV spot, or another style. And that matters because a UGC hook is not the same as a cinematic commercial hook. A tutorial hook should feel different from an unboxing hook. Higgsfield understands that difference and builds the hook around the type of ad you want to create. So instead of guessing how to open your video, you can use the hook generator to test multiple angles quickly, then build the full ad around the one that fits best. So let's jump into Higgsfield and see how it works. The first thing we'll do is open Higgsfield AI and go straight to Marketing Studio. Once you're inside, you'll see the workspace where the entire ad creation process begins. Before adding anything, you need to choose whether you're creating an ad for a product or an app. If you're promoting a physical product like a drink, skincare item, backpack, mug, clothing item, or any e-commerce product, you can stay on the product option. But if you're promoting an app, software, website, or dashboard, then you can switch to the app option so the AI understands the type of video you want to create. For this illustration, I'll stay on the product option because I want to create ads around a physical product. Next, we need to add the product. You can either paste the product URL or upload a product image manually. So I'll click the product slot, upload my product image, and now the product is ready inside the workspace. After that, we need to choose the person who will appear in the ad. This is where the avatar section comes in. You can choose from the available avatars or use your own character reference if you want the presenter to match a specific brand style. Once the avatar is selected, we move into the creative direction. Inside Marketing Studio, you can choose the type of ad you want to create. This could be a UGC style ad, a product review, an unboxing video, a tutorial, a hypermotion ad, or even a more cinematic commercial style video. This is where the testing strategy starts to make sense. Instead of creating just one ad and hoping it works, you can test different formats around the same product. For the first version, I'll choose product review. Now, after choosing the format, the next important step is the hook. The hook is one of the most important parts of any short-form ad because the first few seconds determine whether people keep watching or scroll away. So inside Higgsfield Marketing Studio, you can choose different hook styles depending on the type of video you want. For this first version, I'll choose Random Object Mic. Next, we move to the setting. This is where you decide where the ad should take place. The setting can completely change the mood of the video. So for this video, I'll choose Nature. After that, we set the technical details. Since this video is meant for short-form platforms, I'll use the vertical 9:16 format. Then I'll set the quality to 1080p and keep the duration short, around 15 seconds, because product ads need to get attention quickly and deliver the message fast. Now everything is ready. We generate the video.
So I've been using ThinkSport SPF 50 every day for 3 weeks. Zinc oxide, it literally sits on top of your skin. It doesn't absorb into your body. That alone was the reason I switched. It's sweat resistant for 80 minutes. I run outside, I sweat through it, haven't burned once, not even close. Re-friendly, no white cast, clean formula.
So the full workflow is simple. Add your product, choose your avatar, select the ad format, pick a hook, choose your setting, generate the video, review the results, and then create more variations to test different creative angles. If you want to try this yourself, I'll leave the link to Higgsfield in the description. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which ad style you would test first: UGC, product review, unboxing, tutorial, or cinematic commercial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.